Funny face.
Those are our friends Johan and Franz. They're from Switzerland, where there are
Where is the bus pass?
At home.
with handles that help us climb.
Where is the movies?
And follow
In the glove box.
That's not here.
the mountain.
Okay, the bus pass ain't here. It's the same thing.
Bus pass is right there. Where's the car at?
Around there.
Okay, so you can walk your butt around there and go get it.
I ain't finna walk all the way around the corner in the rain.
The corner?
Yeah.
What you mean the corner?
I'm not about to walk in the rain. Shit. Turn my camera on too.
Ready to climb the mountain.
I'm trying to lower my face, see.
Me too.
Pablo.
In there, you go get him.
I got the car get back. Y'all about to watch him now? Y'all about to watch him now?
Back today.
Is y'all about to
Yeah.
Are y'all about to watch him now? Oh, hold on. The weed is floating. The weed ain't floating my way.